grateful and humbled for the outstanding PyLady award. PyLadies in the Czech Republic are a grassroots learning community, which shows that in order to start, we need to connect people who want to share their knowledge and those who want to learn something new. Then we find a room and a time slot, and we can start repairing the skewed state of affairs. Many people did not have access to computer science education here. PyLadies open the possibility to try it out for yourself and make an informed decision if and how deep you want to get in IT. It's been 8 years since I learned my Hello World at a PyLadies course and started career in tech. It also marks 7 years of organizing efforts in my city. In the light of current events, creating accessible spaces where one can learn and share without judgment and prejudice is especially important. Even when facing financial struggles, have in mind that starting and going on doesn't really require that much. And growing, having this network spanning through cities and countries throughout the world, that's a real treasure. Thank you.